Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your name to the document on the Signeasy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the My Library button down below, which is the third option. Select a document that you want to sign or want to add your name to it. Then click on the Start Signing button, tap on Sign Document, click on Name, which is the third button in the first row, and after that you should make it bigger or smaller, and if you want to change it, tap on this A icon and you can delete it and type in another name. Click on Return, tap on the checkmark icon, and after positioning it, click on Complete Signing or Save as Draft. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.